In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a Google Calendar. Navigating the world of digital calendars can be a bit daunting, but worry not. By following this simple guide, you'll be adding new calendars and staying organized in no time. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to take to subscribe successfully. First things first, we'll be working from a desktop using a web browser. This is the most efficient way and ensures you'll have access to all the features you need. Let's begin by opening up Google Calendar. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Just enter your Google account information and you're in. Now that we have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. There you'll see a sidebar, and one of the sections aptly named is Other Calendars. This area is crucial for this tutorial, so keep an eye on it. It's where you'll be managing additional calendars and subscriptions. Next, look closely at the section and you'll notice a small plus sign adjacent to Other Calendars. This button is your gateway to more organizational power. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. It should prompt a drop-down menu with a few different options for you to explore. From this menu, you'll want to select Subscribe to Calendar. This option allows you to add external calendars directly into your Google Calendar, a particularly handy feature if you're trying to keep track of multiple schedules, whether they're for work, school, or personal use. Click on Subscribe to Calendar, and you'll be taken to a field where you can enter an email address. Now comes the part where you enter the email address of the calendar you wish to subscribe to. This could be a work account, a public calendar, or even a special events calendar that friends or family share with you. Once you've entered the email address correctly, you're almost there. Finally, look for the Add button and give it a click. By clicking Add, you're telling Google Calendar, yes, this is the calendar you want to subscribe to. The calendar should appear under Other Calendars in your sidebar, marking its presence alongside any other calendars you're managing. And there you have it, you've now successfully subscribed to a new Google Calendar. Mastering these digital tools can really bolster your daily productivity, helping you stay on top of various responsibilities effortlessly. Practice makes perfect, and I encourage you to try subscribing to different types of calendars to see how versatile and helpful this feature can be. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.